He is cute, isn't he? Yeah. You like different?
Different.
He
got nose. He got nose.
He does have a nose, man.
You want to pet the puppies? Just get over here in the corner. Over here in this corner. Get over here. Yeah. Puppies!
Hey!
You're fine. You're Ryan. Puppies. Puppies.
I want to rub his belly, Mama.
Okay.
How do I flip on my
Hey, how about this girl? Get this girl right here. Can you get her?
I got her.
Okay.
Now I give her what belly rubs.
Hold on. Here. 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 I don't know if she wants to. Here, put your legs flat. Put your legs flat.
That's enough. That's enough playing with the puppies, Mama.
Hold on.
Owie!
Okay.
They're gonna bite.
You can get out. Brian, no. Here. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Excuse me.